Good day, everyone. Learn how to download and install Discord on Windows 11 laptop or desktop. So you just need to open your favorite browser and in the search bar, type Discord. You will find https discord.com. Make sure you visit only this site, and then you will find group chat that all download Nitro Discover, and we will click on download, and it says download for Windows. I'll select download the file, and 118 MB file is getting downloaded, and very soon we will have a different screen where we can simply install it. And also, if you want to change the location of installation, you can do that. So it's almost done, and I'll just click on that to open it, and waiting for the screen right here. So it's opening right now. So it's downloading updates, checking for updates, starting. So it's very easy to download and install. It will ask you to say yes, and you have this discord.com screen now. Authenticating. Discord wants to connect on your local network. You can allow it, and then you can enter your email address and password. If you do not have it, you can simply register with your email and display name and few information, and then you can start using Discord in your laptop or desktop. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.